May 2 hours delay. 3 hours delay. Wow. Oh, very exhausted. Really? OMG. It's my first time. If ever. Last day na namin sa Korea. Very sad, di ba? Kaka-check out lang namin pero iniwan namin yung luggage. Kain kami. Paris spaghetti. Bread. Tsaka kape. Very sad. Ito na. Paris spaghetti. Ano masarap dito?
Dito.
Yan. Ito, ano to? Ano yan? Chocoban? No. Bean?
Bean.
Parang buti sa Pilipinas. Malagkit. Tapos may laman sa loob. Okay din pala dito sa Paris Baguette. Ngayon ko lang kasi na-try dito. Sasarap ng mga tinapay nila. Bago kami pumunta sa airport, dumaan lang kami dito sa Paradise City. Incheon. Malapit sa Incheon Airport. Kumain lang kami dito. Minute lang yung friend niya. Ganda. Tapos hotel to parang Okada sa Maynila. Malaki. Plaza, may theme park, Simmer. Ganda. Malaki. Walang tao. Dapat talaga pupunta kami sa sa may isang palace. Anong name?
창덕궁.
Changdeokgung? Oo. Dapat pupunta talaga kami doon sa Changdeokgung. Changdeokgung Palace. Kaso, hindi naabot yung time kasi yung schedule namin doon, 2:30. Malayo. Mararush kami. Antayin lang namin mag 4:30. Alis na kami. Tapos punta na kami sa airport. Kasi maaga pa yung flight namin alas 7 pa lang gabi. Bumili lang muna kami ng ice cream. 200 pesos na. Lasang fresh milk na matamis. Taba ako na dito sa Korea. Tapos kumain
Back home.
Balik na ng Pilipinas. Kawawa naman ako. I wanna stay here.
No, you need to go home.
Kasi mag-a-apply ulit ako ng tourist visa. Sana ma-accept. What if they deny me?
You just had Korea. See you next time.
See you on winter. Joke lang. Sana. I hope so. See you again. See you soon. See you next life. See you next life. Bago pumasok ng Pilipinas, need nang i-travel. Kain ulit kami. Food court. Saan ka? Ito.
How was your Korean trip?
Masaya. 행복해요.
Masaya. 행복해요.
Tapos, malungkot. Sad. Kasi, this is my last meal. Hot dog. Not Korean food.
Hot dog. You begin used to now.
No more Korean food. Welcome back to Philippines again later.
Enjoy.
Mokja?
먹자.
We're just sitting here in front of the gate kasi delay. Nakalipad na dapat kami ng 7 o'clock. Ngayon, di ba? Dapat departure na ngayon pero kahit boarding wala pa rin. I think Korean Air don't want me to go back Philippines. Do you think so? Tagal ng delay, hindi sila nagsabi. Ngayon lang, biglaan. Sabi ng Korean Air, magbibigay daw sila ng food, like refreshment lang. So, titignan ko, pupuntahan ko kung ano yung bibigay nila. Dapat yung departure namin 7 p.m. Tapos ngayon, naging 9 p.m. na, bali 2 hours delay. Nag-change daw kasi ng aircraft. Tapos ngayon, nagbibigay sila ng 20,000 won each yata coupon. Tapos pwede bumili kahit saan. Like Starbucks. Pwede na. Ito na yung libre nila. Kabili na kami. Lahat ng tao bumibili sa Starbucks. Ganito. Salamat Korean Air.
You still say salamat.
Salamat Korean Air. Pero pinagod mo kami ng 2 hours. 2 hours delay. I think the lady foreigner behind me at the Starbucks wondering why all these people have this Because siya using this card. The foreigner, the old lady. Still here. What time na now?
8:30.
8:30. Still not boarding. Maybe we'll start to board 9 o'clock. I go.
Yeah, it is supposed to be boarding now.
Now it's already 9:51 p.m. Ako very tired. Amazing. Tagal. Now, finally, boarding starts. Already 10 p.m. 3 hours delay. Wow. Maybe departure 10:30. Oh, very exhausted. Ikaw,
All of
tired?
us.
Yes. Very, very tired. Kaka-boarding lang namin. Tapos, ewan ko. Nakalagay dito, Prestige. Parang in-upgrade yata nila kami dun sa business class.
Yeah.
Di ko alam, di ko pa sure. Sana.
Maybe not, but let's see. I think 14 is yes. It is.
Really? OMG. It's my first time. If ever. Maybe
They
not.
said it is. It is. It is now. That's why I said, only me, and then they said together.
Wow, chinchay. Wala. It's real. It's totally real. First time ko lang to. Business class. Lucky. Na nakakatuwa. Hindi pa din ako makapaniwala. Nalibre kami sa business class. Mahal pa sa it's very maganda. Mag-Korean Air na rin kayo. Sana matuloy lagi. Para libre yung business class. kanina, I'm very frustrated. But now, it's okay. No, kensya na yun. Ngayon, kensya na yun. Serve na nila yung pagkain.
Like some wine or anything, your meal?
No need.
It's okay. For the bread?
Yeah.
Tomato bread, garlic bread, a mini baguette. Which one would you like?
This one.
This one.
Shala. Shala dito, di ko mati. Yung salad nila may shrimp po pa. Shrimp po. Shrimp.
Not today.
Di pala para dito. Di ko alam eh. For what?
Later you for your soup or steak.
Sorry na.
It's okay. Masarap.
Pang mayaman.
Sana all. Don't put salt. Only pepper. Salt for the steak. It's salt. Oh no, pepper.
Ano to? Potato soup. Potato. Let's try. 잘 먹겠습니다. To the airline.
죄송한데 수저 좀 바꿔주세요.
죄송합니다.
Korean food spicy squid.
Yeah. I can put on everything in the mix. Like a
Like
halo-halo.
bibimbap?
Yeah.
Ito na. Nakakatuwa. Kain na tayo. Steak. Steak seroplan. Galing, Korean Air. Lagi nyo kami upgrade. Very soft. Very soft.
Tenderloin.
Beef here masarap. Amazing. Free upgrade, free food.